Ceiling fans whisper about fame, but this short reveals 3 verified life secrets that quietly shape celebrity success. One star guards time with a strict screen-free Sunday every week, allowing real reflection away from headlines. Another relies on a personal nutritionist who tailors meals to energy cycles, optimizing performances without glamorized extremes. The third emphasizes handwritten scripts and daily journaling, turning raw ideas into disciplined routines that inform blockbuster choices. Together, these practices illustrate that behind the spotlight, consistency, balance, and quiet discipline craft, lasting celebrity resilience, and enduring influence beyond any single trend.